So highest position that is there in the demon slayer corps thing, like they have the highest position. They are called the Hashiras. There are like 10 of them. I hate all of them. I absolutely, except for Gayu, like this guy in the back and the butterfly girl, except for those two, I absolutely hate all of them. Like Gayu is my favorite. Gayu is my favorite since his first appearance. But apart from that, all of these I hate. Especially this guy. I would never ever forgive him for what he did to Nezuko. I mean, like he stabbed her so many times, and what he did, the entire scene that he created in front of her, Lord Oyoto. I don't remember the name, but like yeah, the entire thing that he did, he was so brutal. Absolutely, it doesn't matter how much higher position you are, but the kind of manners and etiquettes that you have, and the kind of understanding that basic understanding of humans and this and that, you are on that kind of position, and this is your attitude, and this is your, you haven't put you have like responsibility for so many people, to be protecting for so many people, and this is how you react. And no matter what story goes on, what he did next, what kind of redemption arc, what kind of character development I would never ever forgive him, and I would never like him. I absolutely hate him. And this guy, I think I have heard the fact that this guy has some kind of story going forward in the movie. But what he also did, like how he what he did to Tanjiro, and how he behaved, and what his stance was in the whole situation when the whole thing was Tanjiro and his sister thing was going on, that he's a demon and she's a demon and he's a demon slayer, and they both are together and this and that, all the, it's against the rules and falana dimkana, all that rubbish when going on. What, the way he behaved, and what he, the like the way he treated Tanjiro, lost respect. No respect. I don't care if his character development happens and some kind of arc happens, backstory, anything could happen. I would never be able to respect him, and I will never be able to like him. This guy and that wind guy, absolutely out of it. बाकी भी इतने कुछ खास नहीं है. That butterfly girl, she's good, she's nice, and actually she's quite scary. That butterfly girl is absolutely very kind of like scary, but I think she's good. Apart from that, we have Gayu, my favorite, but like these two, completely out of it.